In this video, we're going to review expressions. So in this first problem, it says value. That word value or evaluate means to substitute. So we're going to substitute -4 for s. So I'm going to write it like this. And then you just put it in the calculator. And it's going to be equal to 65. Next one, I see that word evaluate, so I know I need to substitute. So we have -3 for x and 10 for y. And this is going to be equal to -40 after you put it in the calculator. All right, so simplify means to combine. So let's see, but before we can do that, I need to get rid of these parentheses. I'm going to write a 1 in front and then distribute the -1. So that gives me -1 times 9x is -9x. -1 times -1 is a +1. These are the only like terms, so I'm going to put those together. 12 plus 1 gives me 13. So, and then remember, we need to write it in the order of degrees or the order of variables, so it's going to be -9x plus 13. Alright, so I'm seeing this word simplify again, so we're going to have to combine, but first we have to distribute. So really, we're going to write a 1 in here. 4 times 1 is 4, then we bring down the a. 4 times 11b is 44b. -3 times 12a is -36a. -3 times -7 is a +21. The only thing I can combine is the a's. So 4 minus 36 gives me -32a. So then I have plus 44b and plus 21. That's my final answer here. Alright, so for the next problem, I'm seeing a lot of words. When we see a lot of words, we look for numbers and letters. So we got 3, 1/2, so which is really 1/2, D, and that looks like it. So let's try to set it up. So we have 3, and then the 1/2, and then D. Let's see what these all mean. So it says 3 years. Okay, less than. So that word less than means minus, and the than means to switch the order. So I'm going to put a minus, but then I'm going to have to switch the order. And then 1/2 goes with the age of the dad, which they're saying is D. So our final answer is going to be 1/2 D minus 3. Last problem. Again, I'm seeing a lot of words, so I'm going to look for numbers and letters. So I see S, J, and H, and then 35, 40, and 25. So let's go see what these numbers mean. So 35 says shorts. Well, they're telling us the letter for shorts is S, so I'm going to put those together. Then 40 says it's jerseys. They're telling us the letter for that is J, so I'm going to put those together. And then 25 saying the letter for that is H. Okay, and when we're dealing with cost, when we're putting it all together, we need to put plus symbols in between. So then our final answer would be B.